Here's a quick video on how to replace a battery in your Prius key fob. You do not need any tools, but you are going to need one of the 1632 batteries, and you can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description. I will take you straight there. First thing you want to do is find this button, push right here, slide out your mechanical key. Now take that key, use it to pry the two halves right there. You can take your key, pry out this circuit board. Then you can use a screwdriver here, but a key does get the job done. And just put your key right here and pry out the dead battery. Screwdriver is definitely easier, so if you have one on hand, use that. Go ahead and put your new one positive side facing outward. This goes like that. Clip these two back together and you can test it right here. Oh, my button fell out. Okay, that's a good example of what not to do. So put that back together. Okay, that works. Clip that back in and you can test right here, make sure it works. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.